The Zircon Water Leak Detector. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. This is the Zircon Leak Detector. This will alert you if you have a water leak. You can pick this up online for $12 for a 1-pack, $20 for a 2-pack, and other various package options. I have the link in the description below, so let's take a look. The Zircon Leak Alert will detect water leaks and can be placed under sinks, near water heaters, basements, dishwashers, fish tanks, toilets, and near any plumbing. It comes in a simple packaging along with a 9-volt battery. This is the frustration-free packaging option on Amazon. You also get a user guide. The unit is plastic all around. You can see the metal contacts that will detect the water. It will alarm with an 85 decibel sound when water is detected. On the top, this is where the sound comes out. Installing the battery is just a matter of removing the top cover. You can see the internal components and the battery. This unit can also float, and if water is detected, it will continue to alarm for up to 72 hours. It will also alarm when the battery is low. There is also a Wi-Fi version which can send you alerts. The unit is less than 2.5 inch in width, less than 4.5 inch in length, and a thickness of less than 1.5 inch. Once the battery is installed, the instructions recommending testing the device. You can just wet your fingertips or use a damp napkin to press on the contacts for it to alarm. I will do a test on the alarm. If you have your volume up, you may want to lower it a bit. I have the decibel meter on the right and a wet napkin. Now I'm going to trigger the alarm. The alarm was very loud and averaged about 90 plus decibels with the meter. The Zircon Leak Detector. This is a good product that can alert you ahead of time of a potential issue. It can be placed in multiple locations. This can save you a lot of money in the long run in repairs and in trouble in the event that a leak happens. It's easy to install and is priced very well. If you liked my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.